We just bought one of the best Down East boats you can buy for the money. And if you think you know what year it was made and what kind of boat it is, leave a comment down below. Let's get on board and check it out. So we're going to be giving you a ton of clues during this video so you can try to guess what boat this is. So let's start off with the helm area right here. We've got comfortable seating for easily 3 to 4 people. We've got a nice little cadenza area here with a nice cushion. In here is a refrigerator freezer. Just directly opposite of the helm is a nice station area for the first mate. You lay out your maps right here. All right, so let's make our way down into the galley. All right, so here we are in the galley. Now here comes the first hint. This isn't that big of a boat, but what I love about this galley is this dual burner stove and all this countertop right here. And for the size boat this is, wait till you see how big this galley actually is. So check this out. We've got opposite seating and almost a 7-foot V-berth. This is pretty spacious for this size boat. So here's a hint as far as who may have made this boat. You will not see this on very many power boats. Hint. There's actually a mesh netting here that goes up to the ceiling over there to actually keep you in your bunk. So if you got a little kid or something like that and you want them to be able to sleep and not fall out, that's under there. There's a hint. Okay, so here's one of the drawbacks of this particular boat. The head, it's spacious, but it's a wet head. Now this boat has dual Yanmar 350 turbo diesel engines, so let's check that out right here. The whole helm area goes up on a ram. How cool is that? Here we are, our dual Yanmar diesel engines and dual 150-gallon diesel fuel tanks. Here at the helm, we've got our engine throttles and controls, brand new Simrad electronics, twin Yanmar displays, everything you would need to pilot this boat safely, comfortably, and with confidence. So this is probably what sold us on this boat the most, was this spacious cockpit. We've got 9 feet of seating area across this boat. Not only do we have 9 feet of seating room, but we've got a nice 4 feet this way also. This cockpit is just monstrous for this size boat. Let's lift up the cockpit hatch and see what we've got under here. Look at the space in here. It is awesome. So here's a huge hint on what kind of boat this is. This doesn't have regular propulsion that you see. There is no prop on this boat. This boat has jet drives. So we'll be up here next week for our sea trial. Keep an eye out for that video and let us know what you think in the comments below. And until next time, Captain John from Nautisphere, out.